All right. So in the last video, we deployed the app on Vercel and we connected the app with our custom domain called xbash.app. Okay. Now this domain is connected with the Vercel app. And in this video, we are going to connect our subdomain, which is going to be netlify.xbash.app with the app which is being deployed on netlify.app domain here. See, koala weather app.netlify.app. And for this, we are going to open our Netlify dashboard, which is going to be from here. Yes, here we go. I'm going to open the project. So koala weather app, which is here, and when you come here, you see the domain management option in the project. Now I've opened the domain management here, and I will click on add a custom domain. So you see both Vercel and Netlify, they give option to buy a new domain. But if you have a new, I have a domain already with Namecheap, GoDaddy, Domain.com, Cloudflare, or any other domain name registrar, you can use it by yourself. So I'm going to connect netlify.xbash.app. So this is my subdomain, Netlify, or let's say koala weather. Okay, koala weather is my subdomain for Netlify. I'm going to use this subdomain, and now we have two options here. TXT record. You see the TXT record. In my last video, I explained what is actually a domain name like zone, DNS zone, and how to use these A records, CNAME, TXT, Amex, and other records. And you need to go back to your DNS here, and I'm going to use host as a Netlify challenge. So I need to add one extra TXT record, and I will use Netlify challenge, and the value is going to be this. So I will use this value here. I will click on save button. It has been updated, and I will click on add subdomain. See, it is waiting to be connected. Once it is connected, awaiting external DNS. Okay, so we need to add this CNAME also. The CNAME is going to be koala weather, which I'm going to add from here to CNAME this, and the value for the CNAME is going to be the koala weather.netlify.app and one dot at the end also. So when you come here, you click. Okay, you can remove the dot from this because it is going to add this particular dot automatically when we are going to save it. Okay, you see it has been added. Now when you come back to your domain and you just click on verify DNS configuration, it has been verified successfully. Right now everything is working fine. We come back to koala weather .xbash.app, and see it has been connected. It is giving us some SSL issue, which I will check here why we are getting this issue. It has been already verified. Okay, it's waiting to verify the external DNS. I will refresh. It is still waiting. Verify DNS values. SSL certificate has been generated. Okay, so it is going to take some time to propagate, as it is saying. If you have already changed the DNS, allow us up to 24 hours. So it is not going to take 24 hours for sure, but it's going to take a few minutes once it is done. Okay, so I think it has been done already, if I'm not wrong. No, not yet. Just see. Yeah, it is not being done yet. It's gonna take few minutes, maybe more. Once it is updated, koalaweather.xbesh.app is not appear. I think I need to edit this once and need to add dot at the end to make sure. Yes. Now I will come back and see retry DNS verification, and I will click on provision certificate, right? No, it's not done yet. I think it's going to take few more minutes. So once it is done, it will actually show you that it is verified. Right now it's not verified, as you can see here. Okay. Once it is verified, you are going to see the app which is deployed on the koala weather. Oh, it's done, right? See, it's deployed already, koalaweather.xbash.app, and it's perfectly working fine. So that's how you deploy your project on Netlify and Vercel. And in this video we learned how to deploy subdomain or main domain using Netlify or Vercel with DNS zone. Okay, I hope you can connect your own apps with the Vercel or Netlify now. If you find any difficulty, you can always come to the community of xbash, which is on www.xbash.community. Join the community and start discussing about your issues. Okay, all right, see you in the next video. Thank you so much.